welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. I am, because guess what? I'm not working this week. I'm on vacation. Woohoo! Get on the vacation train. Not really a song, but hey, I feel sing-songy today because today is... what? It's animation unboxing part 2. Yeah, dos. It is. So, before that, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to our friends up in the north, I started to say Canada and Canada. Funny story, I was working at a job where, one time where I was in a fraud department and I was trying to, investigate fraud on people's bank accounts and stuff like that. And we had been told, I'd just been on the floor just for a few weeks. And we'd been told in training that we did not work, because we're in America, we did not work Canadian accounts. And there were some that this company I worked for at the time dealt with, but we just didn't mess with them. We, pawned them off to, the people in Canada. So, but, our Canadian counterparts in the company. So one day I got an account, and I was gung-ho, and I went right up to my manager and I was like, I'm not working this account. And he's like, well, why not? And I said, because it's Canadian and you said we're not supposed to work those. And he was like, well, let me come look. And he came to my desk and looked, and he just died laughing because it was Ontario, CA. Guys, I'm going to give you a minute to figure out Ontario, CA. Yeah, that's California. Still in the U.S. last time I checked. So, yeah, I was mad. I was like, well, I'm not, you told us not to do this. And he was like, yeah, you do. So anyway, that just sparked into my mind. That just leapt into my mind. That's been years and years ago. But anyhow, I like to think I've smartened up since then, but that's a no. I don't know what this is doing. My bangs for a while have been, I don't know. I can't control them. But yeah, so yeah, Kathy and Jonathan and Debbie and all of our friends and fam in Canada. I think yesterday was your Thanksgiving. Now tell me, guys, in the comments, those of you who live in Canada, do you guys get off all week for that holiday? Because they kind of hoodoo on us on that, because they, Thanksgiving's on Thursday, so you can only take a long weekend. You can't have the whole week. But I think that Monday would be, maybe it's a date thing. Is it whenever the date is? I'm not really sure, guys. You'll have to school me in on this. But I think it's a date thing, right? Am I right? So maybe when it falls on the 11th every year, October 11th or whatever, then that's when your Thanksgiving is. Ours is like the last Thursday of November. If that's the 23rd, fine. If it's the 29th, fine. That's when it is. And, still, we only get that Thursday, and some of us don't even get Fridays, but, some of us get the whole weekend. But I was just thinking, yesterday, wow, if they have Thanksgiving on a Monday, you guys getting that whole week off? That sounds good. All right. Anyway, let's see. I have an unboxing. Because I told a lot of you in the comments when you said, send the Felici back. So first go round, I ordered, I was lucky enough to get the Hollywood animation piece of the Felici. Because I'd always wanted a Felici, and I don't know, check it out. I don't know, I just thought, I've been talking about the Felici, let's get it. I think I had FOMO. So yeah, I was on the fence. It was kind of like, it's a lot of money. It doesn't have a whole lot of room in there. It kind of reminds me of my pochette accessoire, which I did not carry and sold both of them. As of this week, they're both gone. So yeah, I was just not, I knew I was not gonna carry it, guys. I wasn't. Not that particular one, But I've since been thinking about the Ibeen. But this is not that. Girl, so I called customer service after I did that video. That night, I called them and I was like, yeah, she's not the one. I'm going to have to go ahead and return her. Can you file a return for me? Yada, yada, yada. Because I don't know why, but I couldn't find the place. Usually online, there's, do you want to start a return? And I could not find it. It's probably there. I was just too like, I'm sleepy, very sleepy. Yeah, so I called him. Yeah, 2 sheets to the wind on my Ambia, girl. I was like, hey, what do you got? And so, yeah, I said to the girl, like, I thought it was cute. Of course I thought it was cute. It was just a lot of money to not be the particular piece that I was really gung-ho about. Maybe this one is. She talked to me about, I said, do you have this? Well, do you have that? And so we went through that game 6 or 7 times. She was clearly very nice. Some people would have been like, lady, beesh, we don't have anything, goodbye. But she was very nice to shop with me online. And she was like, let me check that number. And anyway, the last thing that I asked her about was the charm. Was the right thing. I didn't get a charm. But let's go ahead and open it up. Didn't the boxes used to have the little pull tab on the top? Maybe I'm just tripping. Okay, girl, and wasn't she sweet? Look, this never happens. I'm already excited. Girl, this had to come from a store, not like the warehouse or the factory or whatever. But look. She told them to give me, oh yeah, a bag. Yes, I have 25 bags, but who cares? It's the principle of it. It's like when he says,
basic human right enshrined into whatever law, constitution, whatever.
Basic human right. But anyway, the little envelope, I gotta say, they did the packaging nicely for me. And here she is. Now, Dale, look away. Look away, Dale. I'm going to slide the ribbon. I'm not going to untie it. I'm sorry I've let you down this time. What do you guys think? I'm not going to, yeah, you can guess, but I won't do it to you. Let's just go ahead and, I wish I asked Winnie the other day. I think she used a trumpet. And I could not find one. So anyway, I'm still looking for the trumpet sound for when I, girl, it is the passport cover. No, she's not needing her passport to go anywhere. I think mine's even expired. I haven't been anywhere in so long. But I needed this, right? I actually didn't need it, but I wanted this one because, let's face it, I checked a lot of things, and I thought this was really cute. I am going to use it just as a wallet. That's it. But, oh man, let me take a look. Okay, I like this much better. You know, this could be a good man's wallet. Like, I think, well, I don't know. Some guys would like that, I guess, but, you know, I know Bill, he'd be like, no, take that back. But I think this would make a good, I wonder if guys do use this as a wallet because it makes a good one, I think. But anyhow, it is traditionally the passport cover, and it is again in the LA edition or print with the little car and Vivian. I do like this. I actually like this a lot better because I do feel like I will use this. And guys, I think I'm gonna keep her. What? Who is this beesh? Where did Winnie B go? Yeah, I don't have any qualms about this. I want to tell you also, I broke my own rule. I'll just tell you, I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys because I feel like I'm lying to you when I don't tell you the circumstance behind the fleecy. I had some of the money, most of the money to pay for the fleecy, but in my haste, I did break my own rule and I put that on a credit card, and I think that was most of the reason because remember I made that rule earlier in the year, like, we gonna stop. We don't have the money for the piece, and that is totally up to you. If you want to use credit, I am never going to judge anybody for using any method they want. And I mean any method, girl. Yes, I'm not beneath anything. Well, anyhow, yeah, you do you. I would never yuck your yum. You do what you can and pay for whatever you got the best way you know how. But I'm not gonna. But for me personally, I was getting carried away, girl. I wasn't getting. She was. So I did charge that Felici, even though I had most of the money to pay for it. I didn't do that, and I couldn't part with my own money for it, and then I couldn't stand the fact that I had put it on a credit card when I said I wasn't going to do that anymore. So I kind of made a deal with myself on that, and I backed off on it, and that was a bridge too far. So yeah, I actually did use my purse fund, my savings, where I've sold some bags and stuff, and did pay for this. So this makes me feel my conscience is clear. She can go to bed tonight with this snuggled beside her. Hi, how you doing? Oh, hi. Yeah, and we will be fine. So I feel like that's a burden off my chest, like a big secret that I was, yeah, I couldn't live with it. It was, like I said, a bridge too friggin' far, girl. So that is the Felici exchange. She's gone, she gone. And this has quickly replaced her. I think I won't say that my thirst for the animation is done, but I think this quenched it so far. I did reach out to Becca Autumn's SA at the Galleria in Houston and ask her to look out for that zippy London one that I love so much, in honor of Gwenny and Mark, of course. Who am I, a savage? I love them. So no, really, I did want that one. So if that one comes through, perfect. But I will say, I'm not going to actively go on. I've been stalking, like, is it going to go on sale? I'm not going to do that anymore. We're good. Animation is good. We're going to wait till next year, hopefully, and check out something. Let's say, I've heard a lot of people say, like, get away from the animated Vivian, do something different. And I think they should, because they're all starting to kind of, I don't know which year is which now, so they're running together just a little bit. So I feel like if they changed it up, I would be even happier and want more of the pieces. But I love this. So I'm very, very happy. I'm happy that whoever boxed this up for me gave me the bag and everything. Didn't need it, but so appreciate it, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I'll be back here. It is slowly approaching my birthday, so I will probably, and I don't have a whole lot of luxury. I have some Coach items that I'll unbox. I'll have some gifts that I will unbox and show you guys, but I didn't buy a whole lot for myself. I guess you could say this is, she's the one. I did buy a wallet. I won't tell you what kind or what it is, but that is going to come up too. So anyway, lots of good things this month. I have a collab with Yota and Autumn again. We ride again, girl. And hopefully I'll have some tag videos and all kinds of good stuff. So come back. Thank you for coming over. I know YouTube's been pulling some stuff, and I noticed that people I was previously subscribed to forever, I've gone on their channel and it says subscribe, and I don't know what's going on with that, but maybe check yours and see if you were previously subscribed to me, and if you aren't now, go ahead and get back on that train, girl. Get back on the bus. Toot, toot. We're going to have us a good old time. And listen, if y'all see my husband, though, whew, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Yeah, she's the one. Touch me in the morning. Don't ever walk away. Okay, have you guys been hearing that song on these chocolate commercials, the Lindt chocolate? Oh my gosh. I know it's time for the holiday when I hear or see a Lindt chocolate ball Commercial girl. I love me some Lindt chocolate balls around the holiday season, don't you? Oh, I love them. I know it's holiday when that comes around. And also, why though Lindt chocolate ball? You have to say Lindt chocolate ball. You can't just say Lindt ball. Those aren't good. Although, you cover balls in chocolate and I'm probably gonna eat them, girl. Oh, that sounded horrible. But you know me.